Hello guys, welcome again. How are you? I think you are well. Today I'll teach you how can you create a PDF document using Microsoft Word document, okay? You don't need any external software for create a PDF document, okay? If you have Microsoft Word document, you can create any type of PDF document, okay? So follow my instruction carefully and create your PDF document right now. Before I start this video tutorial, I want to say something, guys. If you learn something through this video tutorial, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need your support badly, okay? Now I'm gonna show you how can you do this. First of all, we need a Microsoft Word document file, okay? Create a Microsoft Word document file like that, okay? Already I have one, that's why I delete this one. Okay, now open this file. Okay, now type here anything. Okay, so I wanna a picture in my PDF document. Okay, select this picture and align its center. Press Alt Shift, then move it up and resize this picture. Okay, little bit. Okay, it's good. Okay, now type a title. Okay, okay, blank this title. Okay, how to create PDF document using how to create a PDF document using Microsoft Word document. This is our this is our first page. Okay, now this is our second page. Okay, so second page. Okay, follow my and right now. Okay, we good to go. Okay, guys, now we have to do something. We have to convert this Microsoft Word document to PDF. So how can we convert this Word document file? Okay, now I'll show you how can you do this. First of all, go to your file option, then go to this print option, then click this print option and select this printer. Okay, Microsoft print to PDF. Select this printer, Microsoft print to PDF, then printer property, select portrait mode, advanced, okay, letter or A4, whatever you want. Okay, A4 size. Okay, now copies 1, 2, whatever you want. I want 1 copy, so print and select your destination folder. So desktop is my destination folder. Any name for your file or your PDF document. So PDF Word to PDF, Word to PDF. Then save this file. Okay, wait, and voila, we successfully convert our Microsoft Word file to PDF. Okay, PDF document. If you don't have any PDF viewer software, don't worry, just drag your PDF file to your Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser or any browser. Okay, now we have our PDF file, okay, with image. That's awesome, isn't it? Okay, so guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you soon, God bless you.